Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do text embedding using MediaPipe in native Android application. So basically what text embedding does is that it tries to compare two string. Now I'm not sure how different this is from normal double equal to operator which we have in Kotlin, but yeah, anyways, I will try to show it to you. So firstly you will have to go to this documentation page, and once you go to the documentation page you will have to scroll down to the model section. Just click model section over here. Once you click on the model section over here, you can download this universal sentence encoder TF Lite model. Once you do that, I'll first show you guys the output. So here I have one button called compare, and these are the two strings which I'm passing: hello, how are you, hello, how are you. Okay, so they are quite identical. And if I click on the compare button, here you can see, given that both of them are identical, I am getting the value as 1.0. If they are not identical, you will get a value less than 1.0. So suppose if I try to remove this question mark and if I try to compare them again, and if I click on compare button again, here you can see the value is like 0.9987, something like that. Okay, so yeah, let's see how to do this. So first, once you create an Android project, you will have to create an assets folder. So just right click on your app, new folder, assets folder, and click on finish. I have already created it, and inside the assets folder you will have to drag and drop your TF Lite model. Once you drag and drop your TF Lite model, the next thing you will have to do is build.gradle.kts, and at the bottom you will have to scroll down and add this implementation of libs.task.text. This is new thing in Android Studio Iguana. Once you add this, you will have to go to libs.versions.toml over here, and here you will have to add this task text latest.release, and here you will have to add this task-text module com.mediapipe.task-text. If you don't like this latest.release, if you want a specific version, you can do 0.0.0, then it will tell you what is the latest version is. So this is the latest version, and then you can click on sync now. Once that is done, inside my activity underscore main I have just taken a text view as well as one button. That's it, nothing else. Next, inside my main activity, I have created our base options.builder, and I have set the model asset path, and I have passed the universal sentence encoders TF Lite model. So whatever name you have given over here, make sure you use the same name over here. Then from that we are creating our base options, and then we are calling options builder. So I am passing text embedder options.builder set base option path. Then I am calling options builder.build inside our options. And then I'm passing our then creating variable for text embedder. Then I have created two variables, one for our text view and one for our button, and here I have initialized our text embedder, and this one, and here I have also initialized our text view and button as well. Then on the button click, I'm just calling text embedder.embed, and I'm passing the first sentence, so it can be whatever you want to compare, and then calling just embedding result.embed.first. Similarly for second embed as well, I'm calling text embedder.embed, I'm passing the second sentence, then embedding result.embed.first. And to compare the similarity, you can just use text embedder.cosine similarity, first embed comma second embed, and whatever is the similarity I'm displaying it inside our text view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.